Are you looking for entertainment and retail combined with trendy convenience? Welcome home to Mission 17 Apartments. Mission 17 rental property is in one of Calgary's iconic, trendiest neighborhoods, located between the neighborhoods of Mission and 17th Avenue. Your lifestyle in Mission includes access to the ultimate playground and outdoor gym. Keeping active is easy with a playground across the street and non-stop bike and walking pathways along the picturesque Elbow River, minutes away from you. There is even a small beach close to you. Pet-friendly, your bright, modern apartment has everything you need. Mission 17 features amenities to make you smile, like in-suite laundry, stainless steel appliances, quartz countertops, European closets, and laminate vinyl flooring. Add to that, your rental property includes a ground-level fenced yard with a dog area and barbecue station, a secure entrance, heated underground parking, and additional storage lockers available for rent. When it's entertainment you're craving, the iconic Saddle Dome is just down the street. Attend Calgary's hottest concerts or go cheer on the Flames. And for 10 days, every summer you'll be front and center for the greatest outdoor show on earth, the Calgary Stampede. Mission is home to various unique festivals every year. Getting around the city is a breeze. The Victoria Park C train station is only 5 minutes away. Ride your bike over and store it for free while you ride the train. Or walk over to the Calgary Tower and get a bird's-eye view of the city. Start your day with coffee on Rosso Coffee Roasters patio on the main floor, or drop your fur baby off at Dogtopia. With various restaurants, boutique shopping and pubs, your spacious new apartment awaits you.